In this case, Honorable Kawira is not the subject because I sit and our document, a list of 64 members who signed. So these members signed. I don't think they signed a document that they not read. They must have read and then signed. So now why are you saying that they put the majority leader of the mover into task? Please, let's move on.
Thank you. Thank you. Perhaps you'll allow me to substantiate that thought a bit. Is that I took a lot of time to explain the composition of this house and the purpose that brings this house to sit in the manner it is. It is a quasi-judicial body. Quasi-judicial body means that you're sitting to hear charges, that you're sitting to hear the complaint from the complainant, that you do not take the face value of the issues. And that's why I said it would have been expected that the person who accuses, and in this instance is the mover of the motion, should be put to task to provide evidence. In law, we call that the burden of proof. I have not heard from the members, or perhaps maybe I'm here, maybe it's too early for me to make that determination, members of the county assembly demanding the mover of this motion to discharge his burden of proof, so that it is clear in our mind that we are sitting here as a quasi-judicial body. And the reason why, Honorable Speaker,
Honorable Council, I gave you the opportunity after the mover moved the motion to also make a response. The next stage that we are going to is I'm going to allow the members to make their contributions. And then lastly, I'll give you another opportunity for you also to make your comments after the members have contributed. And then also lastly, I'll give the mover an opportunity to respond. Then we move on. So probably you can reserve those remarks now for later hours.
Most obliged.
Thank you. You can continue.
Mr. Speaker, sir. So lastly, in the reason why Her Excellency the Governor of Meru, who appears before you as an accused person, feels that a decision to impeach her is not based on any merit, is not based on any facts, is, among other things, our observation of the conduct of the members of this house outside this house. Allow me say this, because if I do not say this, I will not have discharged my duty as an advocate sent by my client. On 14th of October 2023 rather, a number of the members of this house were spotted, and it is captured on both print and electronic media, taking an oath to impeach the governor before the Njorincheke Council of Elders. That was on 14th of October. Ladies and gentlemen, this motion was brought to the House on 16th of October. So these members, Mr. Speaker, sir, were influenced at the expense of their lives and their families to take a stand on whether they are going to impeach a governor or not. Sadly, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Speaker was in that meeting. Sadly, Mr. Speaker, sir, the mover of this motion was in that meeting. Sadly, Mr. Speaker, sir, one Mwenda Ali was in that meeting.
Council Mutuma, I'm a senior member. Please resume your seat. You don't stand when the chair is talking. I'm a senior elder of Njorincheke and the former Deputy Secretary Njorincheke for 7 years. So there is nothing that can be done in the shrine. I must be there, not unless I'm out of the country. Please take note of that. And I believe also the members here are members of Njorincheke. So please, by the virtue of being there, they are members of the group. You can continue.
Thank you for that, guidance and clarification, Mr. Speaker, sir, because then it confirms my